Meaning of enema.
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 Enema. An enema is a medical procedure in which liquid is introduced into the rectum and colon through the anus. The liquid is typically a saline solution that helps to cleanse the colon and promote bowel movements. Enemas are often used to ease constipation, to prepare for certain medical procedures, or in emergency situations. The result is typically a bowel movement that removes waste and toxins from the body. Enemas can be administered by a healthcare professional or self-administered at home with proper instructions. It is important to consult with a doctor before attempting to use an enema.